batsman Rahul. Karnataka Bulldozers 79 for 2. Vineet last over. Rahul need to take a single and give strike to Rajiv. We saw the last fifth ball before Pradeep got run out. The Kerala strikers dug out the celebs. We see the Karnataka dugout as well along with that. This is CCL T10 blast powered by Bharati Cement. First time ever T10 happening in CCL.
Well, that's a cracker of a shot and it's missed the fielder, is headed to the boundary but will be intercepted. Nevertheless, the initial goosebumps, if I can say, are gone. And 5 more balls and this can actually be converted into an innings which might scare off the opposition. Sunil, not too many runs coming on the offside. Not even in this game, but even in the first game that we witnessed, most of the runs perhaps being scored towards the leg side and towards mid-wicket. Any reason you think?
That's their favorite department. There's a favorite department. Absolutely. They are the ones who are going to swing the bat across, slog sweep, slog pull, you name it. So finally the runs are going in the mid-wicket and fine leg region.
Well, that's a big one. Let's see if it's going to cross the boundary or not. There could be a fielder underneath it and he's taken that catch. A breakthrough for the Kerala strikers and 2 wickets down for the Karnataka Bulldozers. A big blow. 9.2 overs gone, 80 for 3.
Rajiv missed this one. Didn't time it very well though. Tried to hit, there's no choice, but he has to do it. But it's a good catch on the boundary line fence.
Well, just the breakthrough that they needed and rejoicing after taking that wicket. "80 runs for 3 in 9.2 overs. There seems to be some altercation on the field, because most of the guys are talking to each other and trying to resolve a conflict. I think when Rajiv was on his way back, someone said something to him and he perhaps felt bad about it and they're trying to reconcile the situation. Sudeep over there trying to tell his teammates, just focus on the game. We're almost there. We've done a good job in the last couple of overs. We have hit the boundaries that we needed the most and we've reached somewhat of a respectable total. Let's get on with the play and be gentlemen. That's what cricket is about, Sunil.
So Vineet, what's the scene then? Is Rajiv out or he is not out?
My guess is as good as yours. And he perhaps is waiting for a new batsman or he's been deputed as a runner. It's not the first time we'll be seeing something like this in today's match.
I think still there is no confusion. Yeah, he is a runner. Finally, we have a clear communication.
Lokesh is the new batsman in. There are 3 wickets down and 4 balls to remain. This
Can
is the
they get 100?
Can they get 100? But that's an uphill task. But the word impossible itself spells I am possible.
That's absolutely right, Vineet. 81, 3 to go, 3 sixes. Could be possible.
Well, if wishes were horses, I would buy a chariot for you, Sunil.
Definitely not. You need to see, that's the Karnataka Bulldozers camp. We see players from Tamil Nadu team supporting Karnataka. Yeah?
All is fair in love and war, Sunil. Well, he tried to hit that one, but I think he's out or the wicket-keeper is celebrating with no accord. Well, the umpire disagrees.
Appealing for the celebrations. Meanwhile, smart cricket from Rajiv took a single.
That's what you call a sneaky run. And sneaky runs go a long way. They tell you that I'm not going to miss any opportunity.
Absolutely, Vineet. I think this game hasn't finished. Another 2 balls to go.
No, well,
Karnataka can get to 90. 2 balls to go.
2 balls to go, but we have to wait. How long will these 2 balls last? So far, it's turning out to be a good over for the Kerala Strikers. Penultimate ball, and he's hit it hard. Is it going to cross the boundary, or is it going to get underneath a fielder? And it's a catch. Another blow to the Karnataka Bulldozers. Just 1 ball remaining, and this over has dealt a bloody blow to their plans.
Absolutely. Rahul missing it out. Didn't time it. 1 wicket buys 1 wicket. That's the bowling figures in this over. Good catch. Safe pair of hands. Bowler is excited, as at the same time fielder is excited. Rahul got 2. 82 for 4 Karnataka Bulldozers.
Well, not a very momentous first innings for the Karnataka Bulldozers. We did see flashes of brilliance and flashes of runs coming by, but they've only managed to muster 82, and the Kerala Strikers need 83 runs to win this match. Chandan was the new batsman in, and he's the new batsman back into the pavilion as well. All right, the Karnataka Bulldozers getting off to a good start.